Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix battery life on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if your battery life is decreasing day by day and you want to improve your battery life, so how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have turned on the low power mode. So if you turn on the low power mode, then it will consume less energy, as you can see. So in the low power mode, all the notifications are also limited. So moreover, the next thing you can do is you can simply turn off your always on display, which means if your screen wakes up for a longer time, then you can simply see that it will drain more battery. So here you have to simply go for auto lock. So if you have turned on the power low power mode, then you can see that auto lock mode is already shifted, so you can simply check for that. Well, now what you can do, the next thing settings are, first of all, you have to simply enable low power mode. So after that, what you have to do, you have to simply view your battery usage information. So any app which uses background battery, then you have to simply turn off that app. Moreover, you can also turn off the background app refresh for many devices. Like, you have to simply go to settings. So here you can simply find background app refresh in general. So here you can simply look for background app refresh, and you have to simply turn off for all these apps. But if you have already turned on the low power mode, then it will be adjusted. So the next thing you can check is, you have to check where your battery usage information, and you have to check your background activity. So here you can simply check for that. And the next thing you have to check is, you have to look for home unlock screen. So if your app frequently wakes your display with notification, you can also adjust your notification. Moreover, you can also set your cell coverage to low signal, so that it uses less battery. Moreover, you have to simply plug in power on your computer to charge your device. So here you can simply charge your device. So in this way, you can simply check for all these settings. So the next thing you can simply go is, you have to simply go to battery, and you can simply check for battery health and charging. And the next option is, you have to check if you have turned on optimize battery charging or not. If you do not have turned on, then you have to simply turn on, because it will save your battery many times. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.